Refrigerator filters are essential for contaminant-free ice and drinking water, but with all the replacement options springing up on the market, which one to choose? Our experts have researched and reviewed the 8 top-rated refrigerator water filters. We'll explain the differences between each one to find the best value for your specific fridge model. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1 is the EveryDrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter. The EveryDrop water filter is the only filter directly approved by Whirlpool, Amana, KitchenAid, Maytag, and JennAir brands for their products. Certified by NSF for 401, 53, and 42 standards. This water filter helps to reduce 99% of more than 28 contaminants in tap water, including lead, waterborne parasites, pharmaceuticals, and pesticides. It also reduces odor and taste in water so that you can enjoy filtered, good-tasting water straight from your refrigerator dispenser. The EveryDrop by Whirlpool filter is compact enough at just 7.5 inches tall and 2 inches wide, and it's one of the best refrigerator water filters to offer convenient, accessible drinking water. It replaces over 1,500 bottles of water every year. The Whirlpool EveryDrop water filter can also last up to 6 months or after 200 gallons of water, and you can replace the water filters without the need for professionals in just a few minutes. Some of the pros include its best factory certified filtration technology. It reduces 99% of lead and other harmful contaminants, NSF certified for 401, 53, and 42 standards, and only needs replacement every 6 months. Some of the cons: it's pricier than most water filters within its category. Next, at number 2 is the Samsung Genuine DA290020B water filter for refrigerator. If you own a Samsung side-by-side or French door refrigerator, this Samsung refrigerator filter will provide you with fresh, filtered water straight from your fridge. Using the ultra-high-grade carbon block filter, the filter helps to reduce up to 99% of harmful contaminants in your regular tap water, and it's been tested for NSF ANSI standards 42 and 53, which means that it can remove lead, asbestos, mercury, chlorine, and sediments up to 0.5 microns in size. Measuring 22.5 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide, this water filter is also easy to install and replace, since it's located right in between your crisper drawers if you're using a French door fridge, or at the bottom right-hand corner if you have a side-by-side fridge. You also get an indicator or a change filter light to let you know that the filter needs to be replaced. Ideally, you should replace your Samsung refrigerator filter every 6 months for the best quality water. Some of the pros are that it's NSF ANSI standards 42 and 53 tested, it reduces up to 99% of harmful contaminants, and it's super easy to install and replace. The cons: works only with selected Samsung refrigerators. At number 3 is the GE RPWFE refrigerator water filter. The GE RPWFE refrigerator water filter is a smart investment if you own a compatible GE fridge, like the brand's French door refrigerators. Featuring GE's most advanced filtration technology yet, this water filter for refrigerators has been tested to remove even trace pharmaceuticals and inorganic compounds. It also uses the popular carbon block technology in reducing lead, cysts, and more than 50 other contaminants in water. It even removes 99% of PFOs and PFOAs to ensure healthy drinking water for you and your family. Measuring 9.75 inches long and 1.625 inches wide, the GE refrigerator water filter has an impressive 0.5 gallon per minute flow rate. Now, to maintain the best filtration results, it's advisable that you replace your GE refrigerator water filter every 6 months or once 300 gallons of filtration is reached. Its pros include that it's highly efficient at removing more than 50 contaminants, including PFOS and PFOA, can last up to 6 months or 300 gallons, and an easy do-it-yourself replacement. The cons are that it's slightly more expensive as compared to some alternatives. Next at number 4 is the Pureline MWF GE Smart Replacement Water Filter. Combining efficiency and durability, the Pureline refrigerator filter is designed to be a more cost-effective replacement for the original GE MWF series refrigerators and other filter models that you can find in the GE Cafe and side-by-side refrigerator lines. These filters are created to be the exact design of your original brand name filter, to avoid any installation or leakage issues. Using advanced active coconut carbon blocks, this filter boasts of a triple action filtration, where the water first passes through the filter's pores, after which it is purified further by passing on 2 separate stages of ionization filtration until it reaches your fridge. The Pureline refrigerator water filter is proven to reduce 99% of odor, particles, and chlorine in water, so you can guarantee clean and great tasting water after it passes through the filters and onto your fridge's water dispenser. To ensure its quality, the Pureline water filter is created using only the best food-grade, BPA-free, and lead-free materials that are verified through an NSF 372 certification. The pros are its active coconut carbon block filters removes 99% of contaminants, its NSF certified 3-stage water filtration, and the exact design as brand name filters at an affordable price. Its cons are that it fits a limited number of refrigerator brands and models. Next, at number 5, is the GE XWFE refrigerator water filter. Compatible with selected GE bottom freezers and side-by-side refrigerators, the GE XWF refrigerator water filter is designed to offer premium water filtration straight to your fridge. So it's been tested and certified to reduce lead, cysts, pharmaceuticals, and more than 50 other impurities, making it one of the most efficient fridge water filters on the market today. The GE filter even reduces PFOA and PFOS content in water by up to 99%, but it's especially touted for its lead removal qualities that help to make regular tap water healthier and tastier to drink for the family. Each filter can last for up to 6 months, replacing thousands of plastic bottled water to make your household more sustainable while saving you a lot of money. The GE refrigerator water filter is also designed to fit your GE refrigerator, and the cartridge can be installed and replaced easily without the need for any tools or professional help. The pros are that it's tested and certified to reduce more than 50 impurities and contaminants in water. It's designed to fit select GE refrigerators and has high-quality BPAO-free materials. The cons: it's designed for GE refrigerators only, and it is expensive as compared to off-brand options. Next, at number 6, is the LG LT1000P replacement refrigerator water filter. This refrigerator water filter is a genuine LG part that has been certified by NSF standards 42, 53, and 401. The water filter can be installed on your LG fridge to reduce 99.99% of cysts, 99% of asbestos, and almost 100% of other contaminants like lead, mercury, and benzene. The LG Inverter linear refrigerator water filter is also capable of removing pesticides, herbicides, and pharmaceuticals that are found in public tap water. Each LG Inverter linear refrigerator water filter can also last up to 6 months, and it comes with a guaranteed fit, which means that you can install and replace it without the need for professional help or tools, and you can ensure that there will be no leakage while operating it. So if you have an LG refrigerator at home, this is a great investment for a consistent supply of clean, healthy drinking water and ice. The pros are it's certified by NSF standards 42, 53, and 401. It's an LG certified replacement filter, and it reduces 99% of cysts, lead, and other contaminants. Now the cons are that it's slightly more expensive because it's an LG certified filter. At number 7 is the WaterDrop replacement refrigerator water filter. One of the most cost-effective water filter replacements that you can find in the market today. The WaterDrop replacement water filters are designed for a broad spectrum of refrigerators, including popular GE and Samsung models, and it's been certified by the NSF for standards 42 and 372, proving its efficiency in offering clean water straight to your fridge. This water filter features a high-grade coconut shell carbon block filter that offers twice the surface area and more micropores that help to reduce more contaminants than your regular water filter. The WaterDrop replacement fridge filter has been tested to reduce 99.6% of lead, 96.6% of benzene, 99.99% of cysts, and much more. It can also reduce 97% of sediment, chlorine, and bad taste and odor to deliver only the healthiest drinking water and ice. Since WaterDrop prioritizes your safety, the material used in creating the water filter has been NSF certified for lead-free material. Its pros are its low price point for replacement filters, that it reduces up to 99.99% of contaminants in tap water, and that it's tested and certified for standards 42 and 372. and it has a high-quality lead-free material. Its cons are that it's not a factory-certified replacement filter, and it's not available for all fridge models. At number 8 is the Frigidaire Ultra WF Pure Source Water Filter. Designed for Frigidaire refrigerators, the Pure Source Ultra features a carbon-based filter that helps to improve the quality and taste of your water straight to your fridge, so you don't need a separate water filter that could take up space in your home. This water filter can last up to 200 gallons, or 6 months, with a flow rate of 0.5 gallons per minute and operating pressure of 300 to 100 psi. It's also been tested and certified by NSF ANSI for standards 42, 53, and 401 to reduce 99% of contaminants such as asbestos, cysts, lead, mercury, and more. This means that you can enjoy continuous access to clean and healthy drinking water, while cutting back on plastic bottled water that will cost you more. The Frigidaire Pure Source Ultra Filter is very easy to install with its push-to-lock and release system that doesn't require any tools or professional assistance. The pros are that it's tested and certified by NSF ANSI for standards 42, 53, and 401. It has a push-to-lock and release easy installation, and the filter lasts up to 6 months. The cons are that it's more expensive because it's a factory-certified filter. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.